Hi, what are tax saving options do we have in India today for salaried employee, ATC, ATD, and many more? Hello, friends. Welcome to YouTube channel Dr. Finance with Dilip. Today's topic would be tax saving for salaried employees. What are different options do we have? First of all, in section 10, we would have house rent allowance exemption, then professional tax, standard deduction, and basic exemption. Basic exemption in the new tax slab would be around 2.5 lakhs for each and every individual. Standard deduction would be around 50,000, and in ATC we would have a limit of 1.5 lakhs where we can have some of the options like PPF, VPF, bond, tuition fees, and many more. And in ATD we would have health insurance for self, for parents, spouse, and also it includes medical expenditure. Moving forward, we have ATG, which is donations given to government or registered orphanages, and many more. Above 1.5 lakhs in 80s CCD, we have option of NPS in Tier 1, where the maximum limit is 50,000. Going further, we would have ATE, interest on education loan taken for self, and ATTTA, interest on savings account. Now, let us take an example of employee with around 16 lakhs of his annual income, basic of 9 lakhs, and HRA around 4.5 lakhs. Here HRA can't be more than 50% of his basic, hence maximum he could receive is 4,50,000, and other income would be around 2.5 lakhs. To start with, we would have an exemption for professional tax which we pay around 200 rupees per month, and it adds up to 400 rupees annually, and we would have standard deduction of 15,000 rupees. In section 10 we would have HRA exemption, which is having a formula for minimum of 40% of basic plus DA which we receive, HR or house rent paid minus 10% of basic, and HR received. This is a three-step formula where the minimum of all these three will be taken into consideration. If you are in metro, it is 50% of basic plus DA. If you are in non-metro, it will be 40% of basic plus DA. And in this new tax slab, you have 2.5 lakhs of exemption, basic exemption for all the salaried employees. Now, going further, we have ATC, which is 1.5 lakhs. It includes PPF, VPFs, savings bond, tuition fees, and many more. Now, if you want to save more than 1.5 lakhs, we have option of NPS, which is ATCCD, which is over and above 50,000. In new tax slab, we have 2.5 lakhs of basic exemption, and in ATC we would have 1.5 lakhs of exemption, which includes PF, VPF, savings bond, tuition fees, and many more. If you want to save more, we have to go with NPS in ATCCD, which is over and above or 1.5 lakhs. It would have maximum limit of 50,000. Now coming to ATG, which is medical expenditure and insurance. It includes all your medical insurance for you, self, spouse, and senior citizen. If you have senior citizen at home, we can also claim around 50,000 for the medical expenditure, which is not covered under insurance. In section 24, we have interest paid on housing loan, an exemption of maximum limit of 2 lakh rupees. In ATE, interest on education loan, limit of around 50,000 is exempted from taxes. Now, in most of the corporate companies, we have tax-free income, which can be claimed via fuel expenses around 3,000 per month, and it adds up to 36,000 per year. Telephone expenses of around 1,500 per month, it adds up to 18,000 rupees. Car drive expenses 900 per month, it would come up to 10,800 rupees. Now Sodexo or meal card or food card we can claim depending upon our job level 3,000 per month, it adds up to 36,000 rupees. We have option of LTA reimbursement leave travel allowance, which is around 80,000 to 1 lakh depending upon our job level and company policies, which can be claimed twice in block of 4 years. This includes mainly travel expenses like flight tickets, cab charges, bus tickets, railway tickets. And we have summing up all this in this Excel, we could see that we have saved most of the taxes as much as possible. Now, to make tax free for 16 lakh rupees, we have one more section called as ATGGC, which is donations given to political party. Any political national or regional political party we can give donations, and it would be tax exempted amount, 100% tax exemption provided. If you move on, we would have also option of ATU and ATDDB, which I'm not going to touch on this particular presentation, as this is mainly for disabilities people and it is generally not found. I have provided all the details available over common forum, public forum. This is the maximum you can save in terms of the tax. And whatever figure I have taken is for example, and the figures may vary depending upon your individual experience and company policies. Now, there was a question on tax bond. We can't save taxes on tax bond, but whatever income we get after the maturity of tax bonds is free of taxes. Hence, it is called as tax bond, which includes national highway bonds, PFC, and many more, which I'll be making video in coming months. If you have any queries, please drop your comment in comment section. I'll be happy to revert back to you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting and educational video. Have a good day. Bye bye.